Hey Slightly Unblended, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new. Today is Boxy Charm Day, so if you want to see what I got and know my thoughts, then just keep on watching. It's Boxy time! I have to talk quietly because it's super early in the morning. But I got my coffee. I'm gonna play with some Boxy and hopefully this will be a vibe. This month's theme is Dusk Till Dawn, and the first thing I'm gonna start with is this Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Cream. I've done all my skincare already. I just need to pop some of this on, and then I'm gonna use the, where did I set it? Brow gel after I do something about these things here, these little not so caterpillars, but they'll be caterpillars once I'm finished. I can't even talk this morning. But anyway, Glow Recipe. I've tried one of their lotions that I got in a Trend Mood box and I really like it. It smells amazing. This smells nice. I'll just get a little bit on my finger. Did it come with the thing? I don't think it came with like a spatula. That would have been kind of handy. And just get some, I'll put it on the back of my hand and getting some on my ring finger. Pop that on. Have cat fur all over my face. Okay, got that on. I'm gonna go fill in my brows and whatnot and then come back and use the other products. Alright, so I just kind of lightly did my brows, kind of like the old way. Brows and me are just funny, like I don't know. But this is the Queen Studio, or it's QVEEN, would it be Queen? I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing it, but it is the Bow Down Brow Gel, and I've actually never heard of this brand before, so I was excited. I was like, oh, because I love to find new brands and try them out. And it's just a clear brow gel, so I'm just gonna run this through here. Try to get these hairs to stay in place today. I might actually go through and add some of the lift and snatch tint through here to fill in, because this is kind of picking up some of that brow stuff. Oh my gosh, I have so many songs stuck in my head this morning. I just got the Willow Smith song. That one lives in my head rent free. This is the Cupid palette by Natasha Denona. I've never tried a Natasha Denona product before, so here it is. It's already, I kind of dipped in it for making a TikTok video, but I'm just gonna do like a quick little neutral moment because it's a very neutral palette. I'm just gonna take this shade right here, and I think it's called Nude Vino. I'm gonna kind of take it like I would be doing my contour for my nose. Just building up the shade. Kind of want to this is like kind of an odd shape, but I want it to flow with my nose contour. I'm just kind of blending this out. I'm gonna blend it out with Shell. I'm just taking what was left of my base on this brush and kind of gently just kind of making a shape here. I'm gonna pop on a tiny bit of this shimmer right here. I think it's called Clove. I'm just gonna take a little on my finger. And then pat a little bit of that matte on it. Just to blend it. And then I'm gonna take this champagne shimmer and pop it the rest of the way. I know I'm not really going as in depth as I normally would, but like if you want a full tutorial on it, then on this palette, then let me know. I'm just I'm trying to figure out the format for these videos, and I'm exhausted. I haven't finished my coffee yet. I'm just going to take a clean fluffy brush to blend out that nose bit because it is a little harsh. Alright, that's better. Okay, I'm going to hurry and do this other eye and then come back and use the highlighter and the lip liner. I'm going to hurry because I'm going to visit with my with some of my family today, so I'm like trying to go as fast as I can and I'm already running late, so I'll be right back. Alright, so got this look on real quick. I'm going to do my lower lash line. I rarely ever do that on camera. I should probably do it a little more, but honestly, I always kind of forget. But I'm just going to take Shell and run that up underneath my lash line here. Just a little pop of something here. Okay, so now I'm going to take the Aesthetica Starlight Highlighter. It's so pretty. I was so excited about this. I have to show you. I don't even think that my camera is going to pick up how beautiful this is. But I'm just going to pop some of that on. Ooh. Look at how pretty it is. It's gorgeous. I'm going to use it for my inner corner highlight and my brow bone highlight as well. Alright, we are glowy. These are the Basic Beauty lip liners in Latte and Cocoa, and they're gorgeous. I love the shades. I'm going to take the shade Cocoa and line my lips real quick. Alright, I love this shade. It's so pretty. Alright, so this is the finished look. So far with BoxyCharm, like, I like this box a lot. The highlighter, I love. The palette, I mean, I feel like I like the mattes, but I'm not really into neutrals. But I mean, it literally just took me just a few minutes to achieve this, so I feel like it's really good for like everyday makeup if that's like what you're into. The brow gel actually holds pretty well. The way I do my brows is kind of a learning curve. I'm gonna play around with it, but I like it. The lip liners, I am obsessed. And did I mention the highlighter? I think that I did, but to me, that's like the star of the show. It's like my favorite. And as far as like the eye cream, super excited to try more from Glow Recipe because I've never really tried any of their skincare. I just had a lotion out of a Trend Mood box, so I was really excited about that. And I just love skincare. So I feel like this month's box was really awesome. I like it a lot. So let me know what you'd like to see next down below. And if you'd like to keep up with my awkward face and shenanigans while I'm not here on YouTube, I have all my social medias linked in the description box down below. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope that I'll see you in the next one. Bye!